fellas, today we're going to be making another classic Roman dish, tripe alla romana. Try this recipe, it's truly amazing. It's one of my favorite recipes, so definitely try it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the video. To make this beautiful recipe, the first thing you need to do is a battuto of onion, celery, and carrot. And put some Roman mint in there. When the vegetables are like this, you want to put in your tripe. And mix. Now, get a cup of water, because the tripe should be getting its liquid out of it soon. But if it doesn't, put the water in. When the liquid's all dried up, put your white wine in. I have to say, I already added the salt, but we didn't put much because we're going to be using pecorino romano later, which is very, very tasty. And one more thing, when we added the battuto, we didn't add spicy peppers because my mom loves tripe and she's allergic to spicy peppers. But if you can, definitely use them. It's amazing. I'll see you when the wine's dried up. Now, as you can see, the wine's all evaporated. And we're going to put our crushed, peeled tomatoes in. We're going to mix it in. The aroma of this dish is already amazing. Trust me, try it. You won't regret it. Now, when the tripe is like this, it's almost ready. You have to put the last few ingredients. So, some basil leaves, some black pepper. Obviously, don't put black pepper if you're using spicy peppers. Now, turn the heat off and add your pecorino romano. Che bello. Mix it in. Now, prepare yourself a hearty plate of this beautiful tripe alla romana. And enjoy, because I surely will. Buon appetito!